welcome back, subscribers and first time viewers. Family, your girl Trina there. Your girl Trina is here. Your girl Trina is there. Family, today I'm gonna go ahead and make a Jamaican traditional Easter dish, and it's Escovitch fish. Stay tuned. So okay guys, here we have our fish which is already washed with vinegar. Yes, washed and cleaned. And we're gonna go ahead and pat our fish dry, which is very necessary so you don't have your oil propping when you're frying your fish. Guys, I only have fish slices, wanted to get whole fish but no luck. And your girl is not happy about it because you know what? I love fish head. You love fish head too? Guys, sorry about the roughness in my voice. I have a little cold going on here. Thank you for understanding. Here we have our fish. I'm gonna put slices into it. It is necessary so when you put your season in, it go down to the bone. I already make slices in some. So we're gonna go ahead and mix our powder season. I have all purpose, black pepper and salt, and we're gonna combine well. Use whatever you have, guys. If you have fish season, you just put some salt, some black pepper and combine well and rub it into your fish, into the slices. And if you're using an old fish, it's the same procedures, guys. You go ahead and rub it into the gut of the fish, into the head of the fish and into the slices. And there you have it. Guys, you will love Escovitch fish. It's a very delicious and simple recipe. Try it. If you're new on my channel, I just want to welcome you to the Nyamins family. Thank you for joining us. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And click that notification bell as well, guys, so you will be notified when I make an upload. So I have some oil here which is already hot. I'm gonna go ahead with 2 pegs of garlic in, 1 pepper. The garlic helps to cut rawness and also for flavor, and the pepper as well. You wanna get those flavors into your oil so your fish will be flavorful. Guys, please to ensure that your oil is very hot. You don't want to put your fish in cold oil. You will have problem. So there we go, our fish are going in. Use a tongue, guys. It is more convenient. Yes, you make space for your fish there. And we're gonna fry on each side for about 4 minutes. And while our fish is frying, I'm gonna go ahead and cut our seasonings like our onions. Yes, you need to get those onion rings and in big slices there, guys. Cut up all the onion them. Yes, and we have them ready. And then we're gonna go ahead after this and do our carrots. We're gonna cut them into thin slices. Oh, that one is a little bit too thick, but I'm gonna cut them again. Yes, you need to have them in thin slices. I will show you guys when I'm finished with it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the peppers now. Yes, use the amount of peppers to your taste, guys. I'm gonna check on the fish now and turn it on the other side. Yes, it's ready. 4 minutes on one side. Lovely. Okay, so it's 8 minutes altogether, guys, and our fish is ready. I'm gonna place it on paper towel to be drained to remove the excess oil. Guys, I like my fish dry. If you don't like it that dry, you use less time. I use 8 minutes, so maybe you'd use about 6 or 7 minutes. It depends. You check and you see. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and make our vinegar sauce now. I have some oil here, the same fish oil, guys. I've removed some of the oil. Yes, I only have some to base the pot here. Here are our carrots. I told you I'd show you the size. You see, it's very thin. We're gonna go in first with the carrots. Yes, because they take longer to steam. And after that, we're gonna go in with some pimentos. So yes, our carrots are in, and we're gonna um add the pimentos like I said, and we're gonna stir it all together. The pimentos, guys, give it a very nice flavor, very lovely flavor. You need to have your pimentos, and we're gonna stir it all together. Guys, we're not cooking them, we're just steaming them because they need to have that crunchy taste. We're gonna stir it all together. Sorry about that missing clip there, guys. All I did was to add some onions and peppers. Yes, my camera was acting up there. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go in with some black pepper now. Yes, black pepper for taste here. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of our all-purpose seasoning. Just a little. I will try to write the proportion of what I use in the description below, okay? And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some vinegar. And we're gonna stir it all together. And then the secret ingredients, which is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. What? Sugar? Yes, guys, don't say anything until you try it. When you try it, you will tell me thanks, okay? So about 2 to 3 minutes, yes, and our sauce should be ready. Remember, we're only steaming it, guys. We're not cooking it. Yes, because we need that crunchy taste. So our sauce is ready now. We're gonna go ahead and add it to our fish. Oh, the colors are just lovely. So after this, guys, I'm gonna plate out some of the Escovitch fish. I'm making a little mess here, but that happens sometimes. That's okay. I'm gonna serve it with some festival. Normally we serve it with bread, festival, or bami. Yes. So there we have it, our lovely Escovitch fish. Guys, try it. You will love it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And thank you all for your love and your support. You all have a blessed Easter. Bye for now.